Release an alarm of the Lord.
Brother Junior Deacon, attend the alarm.
Who comes here? Very worshipful. Aaron D. Arumpa, District Deputy Grand Master of Masonic District, Region 12B, and the officers and members of the Grand Lodge accompanying him, desire admission. Worshipful Master, very worshipful Aaron D. Arumpa, District Deputy Grand Master of Masonic District, Region 12B, together with the officers and members of the Grand Lodge accompanying him, desire admission.
Brother Marshall, you will retire and conduct very worshipful Aaron D. Arumpak, District Deputy Grand Master of Masonic District Region 12B, and the officers and members of the Grand Lodge accompanying him to a seat in the lodge. Take the view from the east.
Worshipful Master, I take pleasure in introducing to you Very Worshipful Aaron D. Arumpak, District Deputy Grand Master. Very Worshipful Heroncio D. Loyola. Very Worshipful Mark Lancier O. Lido. Very Worshipful Reynaldo C. Tan, District Grand Lecturers, all of Masonic District Region 12B.
Very worshipful Aaron D. Arumpak, District Deputy Grand Master. Very worshipful Heroncio D. Loyola. Very worshipful Mark Lancier O. Lido. Very worshipful Reynaldo C. Tan, District Grand Lecturers, all of Masonic District Region 12B. Welcome to our 12th public installation of officers of Sultan Kudarat Lodge 340. Thank you, sirs, for visiting us once again. Thank you for your support and cooperation extended to this lodge. Your monthly presence during our stated meetings and your words of wisdom and inspiration has given us additional knowledge worthy to be deposited at the archives of our minds and memories. Very worshipful sirs, we hope that your short stay with us will be fruitful and full of cheerfulness. Brother Marshall, conduct our district officers to a seat in the east. Brethren, grand honors,
Worshipful Master Levi Trabado, my district grand lecturers, very worshipful sirs, Reverend, honored ladies of the Order of the Amaranth, guests, good afternoon. Our Grand Master, Most Worshipful Juanito J. Espino Jr. would like to convey his warmest fraternal greetings and felicitations to all the brethren of this lodge on the occasion of your installation ceremony for the incoming officers. Likewise, in my own personal capacity as District Deputy Grand Master, and in behalf of my District Grand Lecturers, I would like also to convey our warmest thanks and gratitude for the warm reception that you have accorded us. Worshipful Master, I now return to you the gavel, and we will continue to preside over your installation ceremony.